Health and Well-being module, Physical Growth and Development. Dear teachers and students, I will be discussing physical growth and development occurring during growing up. Physical growth of a person is one of the most important concerns from the point of view to be healthy. As we all know that every person passes through different phases of growth and development, which can be broadly classified into infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood and aged. Proper care needs to be taken for being physically healthy, mentally sound and emotionally strong at each stage. Among different phases of life of a person, infancy is a stage when child is completely dependent on parents or family members for each and every requirement and need. Therefore, proper understanding about healthy physical, mental and emotional growth of infants among parents and others who take care in the family is also important. This should also be one of the concerns from the point of view of growth and infancy stage. Among other phases, childhood and adolescence being formative stage of life are considered crucial, and input at this stage has consequences on rest of the phases of life. Therefore, need and requirement at these stage must be carefully nurtured. A few points are extremely crucial from the point of view of physical growth and development during this phase of life. You have to make the children understand that changes in our bodies are natural, normal and healthy. These are essential parts of human growth and development. It can be extremely interesting to experience these changes. All changes do not take place at the same time. Growth, as a result, it is possible that physical changes may take place early, but psychosocial changes take place later in the same individual. It may also happen the other way around. You have observed that two children of the same age may have different levels of maturity and experience changes at varying pace. Sometimes children during growing up feel ashamed if they look different from many of their peers. Some could be maturing faster or slower than the others, and this difference may become the focus of teasing and ridicule among peers. You have to present a balanced viewpoint and help them to feel positive and normal. As we know, sometimes one can influence changes in one's life and at other time one has little control over them. Some of the changes in life are predictable if one is prepared for them. One may be able to influence some of these processes and manage them better. For example, growth and maturation is a continuous process. Since all children do not grow at the same pace, physically as well as intellectually, there may be some myths and misconceptions related to growing up. Their anxiety and confusion is further compounded by adult caregivers, including parents who might themselves hold on negative ideas and stereotypes. Adults might also expect young people to conduct themselves in a mature manner without preparing them for the new roles. Adults should realize that it is important to inform and prepare children for the rapid pace of physical, emotional and psychological changes that they undergo during the process of growing up. There are a lot of prejudice and harmful stereotypes attached to the growing up process which need to be discussed. You have to play a very powerful role in enabling young children to be comfortable with their changing selves, appreciate their unique identity and challenge stereotype perpetuated by media and larger society related to ideal physical appearance.